What's going on? What's going on? What is going on, my good people? It's your boy Derrick Casey coming to you live from Dallas, Texas. And man, I'm excited to be back. Man, I'm excited to be back. I know for the last like few weeks, I've been a little bit incognito, been trying to post here and there, just to kind of stay relevant, I guess, so that people know that I was not gone away. But I had to go back to the office at my job because we hired a new employee and it needed me to come in and train for a few weeks just so we can get her ready to go. So I was just in there taking care of that. And during the training process, I didn't have the time that I usually have throughout the days to be like really into business and doing those things. So business had to kind of get sat to the side just for this time being. But I am now back working from home in my home office. Yeah, which is my bedroom. You know what I'm saying? You can see this little giraffe thing sitting next to me. This is my buddy. He does business with me. Nah, I'm just kidding. But anyways, man, I just wanted to come on here, let you guys know that I am back. I will be starting to put up more videos on my Facebook and my YouTube channel. If you are not part of my YouTube channel, get on there, man. Be sharing a lot of value with you guys. This is going to be a place where you can finally go and hear real information about online opportunities, things that are happening, tools and resources, different opportunities that are out there, because I'm a firm believer that when it comes to networking, it doesn't always have to be about you joining me. Maybe I offer you something that you may not be a fit for, but I'm connected to other people that I can now get that information over to them and get you connected because it may be a better opportunity for you. My phone is ringing, but that's okay. It's a customer. I'll call him back. I need to get this across. So, anyways, man, I wanted to come on here because right now I want to be able to talk about facts versus opinions. Okay, as you see in my title, facts versus opinions. And what we're talking about is with MWR Financial, my main business, and I want to kind of break something down because I get a lot of people that come into the business and they take it for granted. We always look for the easiest opportunities online, right? We want it to be easy. We want to be able to make money. I mean, we just want that all kind of like a package deal, right? But then what I find is that the easiest opportunities are the ones that people make the hardest. And they'll come into an opportunity like MWR Financial where 90% of the work is done for you and they still fail. So during kind of my little hiatus of me being away from everything, while being at work and training, I was thinking to myself, I'm like, Derrick, why is it that people are having so much of a hard time with MWR Financial? Like, why so many people? And it has come to the conclusion that people are just not using the services. They're not using the services. Using the services is like half the battle is won when it comes to MWR Financial because you have a team of licensed experts and enrolled agents in the IRS that are doing all the work for you. They're doing all the work for you. So you don't got to send out no letters. You don't got to do anything. Let me backtrack real quick, okay? Because maybe you are new right now coming to the video. You're probably like, what is MWR Financial? Let me give you a brief overview. MWR Financial is a full financial solutions company with a team of licensed experts and enrolled agents with the IRS that are going to help you and your spouse reduce the amount of taxes that you are paying. Okay. They're going to help you to increase those credit scores so the insurance premiums and the interest can come down. They're going to put a game plan together so that way you and your spouse can eliminate all of your debt in record time, saving you thousands on interest. And then as they're helping you shift this money back into your household, increasing your cash flow, they're going to show you the best ways to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss. They're also going to show you how to purchase land 30 to 40% below the market value in the path of growth. So that way you can now have some land that you're sitting on. So that way if a store like Walmart come into those areas, you have a piece of land they want, you are now getting paid. Okay. So that is just a brief overview. But I had plenty of videos talking about that. What I wanted to show y'all today is how easy this is. Okay. And I think once y'all see how easy this is, y'all gonna kick yourself, especially the ones that came in and quit. You gonna kick yourself for quitting so soon because this is just something that you know what I'm saying? This is just something that people need to hear. They need to see it. So I'm gonna share my screen with y'all real quick. All right. I'm gonna share my screen with y'all. Cause I just I'm just a firm believer that like I come from the show me state. Let me show y'all how this thing works. Okay? Let me show you what you gotta do. Because if 90% of the work is done for you already, let's do the math. How much work do you have to do? 10%. I'm going to show you the 5% that you got to do right now. Okay. So as you see right here, this is MWR Financial. Like I said, I got many videos on this. Y'all can go down my page. Okay. Um, this whole instant pay raise. This instant pay raise is for W-2 employees that are working right now that don't have a business. You're the highest tax. You give a third of your income away to the government. You probably don't realize that. But the way to get that money out of the hands of the government back into your check is by starting a home-based business. This is where the instant pay raise come from. Okay, with NWR Financial, Financial Edge membership, this comes with 4 pillars of the membership. Okay, which is Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, and Wealth Max. Okay. So, like I said, I'm going through these quickly. I just want you guys to see this because if you have any questions, then you can hit me up and we can go more in depth. All right. Money Max is tax reduction strategies. So we have experts that's going to show you how to reduce your taxes, turn your expenses into deductions. Okay. How easy is it to get started? Well, how do you reduce your taxes? Start a home-based business. If you are an entrepreneur that already has a home-based business, then you don't need to get into the business portion of this. You can get the membership, have the experts help you to adjust your W-4 form so you can take it to your job because you already have a business. Okay. For the people who do not have a business, we have an opportunity for you to partner with the company so you can show the IRS that you have a business. If you pay attention, it's in our tax laws that if you have a home-based business with the intent of making money, they didn't say you got to make a certain amount of money to get these deductions. They say with the intent. That means that you have to actually be trying to make money in your business so that way you get these tax advantages. Okay. So if you don't have a business, we can get you a business set up so we can show the IRS that you have a business. So now you can reduce the amount of taxes taken out your check and you can turn the expenses into deductions. What are those expenses? The expenses are things you already spend your money on. Like you're renting your mortgage. You're sitting at home. Why not start a home-based business? You're already paying for the place. So why not write that off on your taxes? Your cell phone. Bam. Tax write-off. You're doing business on your cell phone. The miles you drive. You can even hire your children, guys. There's so many different advantages and deductions that you could take advantage of. What's really cool about this is that the experts are going to help you. It's going to help you to adjust and fill out your W-4 for you. What do you need to do to them? Well, let me show you how easy this is. All you have to do is that you go into, let me go back because I really want y'all to see this. Let's go into member access, okay? All they need you to do is upload your last 2 pay stubs and your most recent tax return, okay? That's it. Your last 2 pay stubs and your most recent tax return. When you do that, you put them on your computer. You go here and you click choose files, and then it's going to pull up the files, and you just click those and you upload those right into your back office. Soon as they get it, it'll take them about 3 business days. They're going to look at your information. This is the enrolled ages with the IRS. They're going to adjust your W-4 and they're going to fill it out for you. Okay. They're going to fill it out for you. Okay. It gets no easier than that. And you're done. You're done. That's it. 2 seconds. 2 seconds of work. Okay. 2 seconds of work and you are done. You're finished. And then when you get your W-4, you take it to your job, turn it in on your very next paycheck. You just gave yourself an instant pay raise. Did that seem hard at all? I just need to break this down because I'm just like it blows my mind how many people just take this for granted and don't really utilize the services. It's not hard. Just showed you. Upload your last 2 pay stubs, most recent tax return, the enrolled agents with the IRS get that information. They adjust your W-4, they fill it out for you, they give it back to you, you take it to your job, and bam, you just got yourself an instant pay raise. You didn't have to do much work. All right, so let's go to the next one. Credit Max. Credit Max are the credit experts. They're going to help you to not only fix your credit, but they're going to help you to restore it and maintain it. What do you have to do from your end so that way the experts can get to work for you? Here it is, Derrick. Go ahead and show me. All right, let me show you. So you have to get your credit reports. There's a couple of different ways. With MWR Financial, we have something called Smart Credit. You can get all three of your credit reports through them. It's $19.99 a month. You get a chance to pull your credit reports, and it's credit monitoring. And you also have insurance. It also have fraud protection, so that way $1 million in coverage. So if anyone tries to take your identity, you are covered. So $19.99 to get that done. Or there's other ways. We have Identity IQ. If you want to go outside of that, you pay $1. You can get all three of your credit reports. And I could break that down, but I'm just giving you a couple of ways that you can get your credit reports. When you get your credit reports, all you have to do is download them to your computer. When you download them to your computer, then you go into your portal, okay? You go into your portal, you click on it, it takes you here. You're going to go down to where it says Customer Portal. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go here. You're going to click on Choose Files. You're going to find out where you downloaded your credit reports on your computer. You're going to choose them, and then you're going to upload them onto your customer portal. Upload them to your customer portal. And then you take a picture of your license, and then you upload those to your customer portal, and then your hands are done. Like, your work is done. How long did that take? Was that hard? Was that hard? You know what I'm saying? It really was not that hard to download your credit reports and then upload them to your portal, and then your experts can get to work on your behalf for you and your spouse. It takes like 2 minutes to go and do it, but people still make that hard for some reason. Okay. So once these are uploaded, that's cool. Now, here's the beautiful thing about this portion of the membership. They're going to send the letters out on your behalf. Okay. But what's going to happen is when the credit bureaus respond, they're going to send those letters directly to you. Okay. I just got one the other day, and it came from the credit bureau saying I owed this money. And I said, cool. So what I did was I scanned that letter onto my computer. I uploaded it into my back office. As you can see here, it was uploaded on June 6th. June 9th, it was completed. They're sending the letters out. And that's all I had to do. I just took the letter, scanned it, uploaded it, and now my experts can continue to work. I can continue to live my life without stressing about what's going on with my credit situation. It gets no easier than that, man. That's all the work that you're doing. You're uploading the information that's needed for your experts to do the work for you. Okay, so let's go to Equity Max. Equity Max is our debt elimination experts. Okay, these are the guys, right? These are the guys that are going to help put a game plan together to help you to eliminate all of your debt in record time, saving you thousands of dollars in interest. Okay, so how do you get that started? Well, you go in here, and then there's a worksheet that you go to. And let me just see if I can see if it takes you to the sheet. No, they had changed a couple of things. Power of the membership. Trying to see if I can find the actual. So what you're gonna do is there's a section that's on here, and I'm just messing around because I know they changed it real quick. Let me see if I can find it. So there used to be a thing on the side right here where you can actually edit and answer some questions. According to our records, you have not. Oh, okay, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, there we go. So then this takes you over to what we call the DFL worksheet. Right on this worksheet, guys, all you have to do, and let me just go ahead and blow this up so y'all can see it, because like I said, I'm trying to show you guys, because I guess telling you guys, y'all still don't believe how easy this thing really is. So when you go in here, guys, all you got to do is upload the information about whatever debt you have. So credit card debt, first mortgage, second mortgage, auto, medical, student loan, personal loan, or other. Okay. And then you put the creditor's name, and then you put the balance, and then you put your interest rate, and then you put in the minimum monthly payment, the current actual payment, if there's any escrow or impound payment, and then that's it. That's like all the little information that you got to put in about that information. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to make sure, just trying to make sure that you guys understand exactly how that works, guys. How that works. Okay? So this it gets no guys, it gets no easier than this. All you doing is entering information. Then when they receive it, then what they gonna do? Let me show you what it look like. They gonna send you a monthly statement. Okay, they're gonna send you a monthly statement that look like this, and it's gonna show you on the monthly statement. Like I said, I'm breaking this down because I need to show y'all how easy this really is, man. And they gonna break down based on the information you gave them what your creditor's plan was, right? How much you will be paying on the principal balance, the monthly expense, all of those things. And then they're going to show you by following the Equity Max plan how much money you actually going to save yourself, how much time you going to save, how much interest you going to save. They going to show you all of that. And they going to show you when you going to be out of debt. This is what they send you every single month for the information that you are here. And at the top, it shows you here. Cost of debt savings, 69% on this particular example. When you gonna be out of debt? This is an old one. They say May of 2015. Like they gonna tell you when you gonna be out of debt. When's your millionaire date, right? Like how awesome is that? And all you did was upload it. All you did was went in here, filled out this information on this sheet. That's literally all you did. You just went in here and filled out this information on that sheet. Okay. So once again, I just showed you guys. Hold up, let me get back. Let me get back. Okay, there we go. All right, we back. Boom. Okay. So let me oh bear me one moment, guys. Bear me one moment. Thank you for calling Patriot Mobile. This is Derek speaking. How can I help you? Yes, sir, we are. So we are still offering the contract buyout. I call it the contract reimbursement. Pretty much what happens is that you'll have 90 days to take care of your final balance with your carrier, and then all you have to do is submit a receipt and an itemized bill over to our finance department, and then we'll reimburse you up to $500 per line, $1,500 max per account, and then we take that dollar amount, put it onto your Patriot Mobile account as a credit. So each month that your bill comes out, it's automatically deducted from that credit that you receive. Yes, sir. You can submit it by email. You'll send that over to CBO, which stands for Contract Buyout at patriotmobile.com. And then once they receive it, then they'll take it from there once they get that information. Okay. Um, so we don't get a chance to choose, unfortunately. So what happens is when you go to like a new area, the new number is based on the address where you go. So you'll get a Utah number that is local to your address. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sounds good. Thank you so much for calling in. All right, bye. All right, my bad, y'all. My bad. See, I'm over here multitasking. Okay, so I just showed you guys right in here the three ways from Money Max, Credit Max, and Equity Max, and how easy it is to utilize these services and what you have to do. 90% of the work is done for you by licensed experts. Your little bitty portion is you uploading the information so that way your people can act for your experts can actually get to work on your behalf. Okay, so they can get to work on your behalf. So I'm just trying to let you guys know that it's not that hard, and I don't understand why people make this thing so hard. Make this thing so hard. So, but bear me one moment. Got another call coming in. Thank you for calling Patriot Mobile. This is Derek speaking. How can I help you? Okay. Hmm. Okay. All right. I'll definitely be happy to help you with that. And I do apologize for the inconvenience.